Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nikesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the teaser of Imperium Atmos, which is A+ grade commercial project and located opposite of Eon IT Park, Kharadi, Pune, developed by Gera Developers. As you can see in front of me is the land parcel of the project, and opposite the land parcel is the Eon IT Park. The building being shown to you right now is the World Trade Center. In this video, we are going to be discussing the below points, which is project overview, location, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview, Imperium Atmos will be constructed on 1.45 acre of land parcel, which will be consisting one high-rise tower having 4 basements plus ground plus 19 floors, in which you will be getting office, shop and F&BS spaces. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. This project is located opposite Eon IT Park next to World Trade Center Tower 1, Kharadi, Pune. As you can see, the road being shown to you right now is in front of the project, which is known as Dhole Patil Farm Road, जो राइट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करती है मुंडवा से, और प्रोजेक्ट के लेफ्ट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करती है नगर हाईवे से. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है Eon IT Park, which is 1 minute away, Pune Ahmednagar Road, which is 5 minutes away, and Magarpatta, which is 20 minutes away. Now, coming to the carpet area of the project, you will be getting office spaces starting from 566 to 2644 square feet, then shop spaces which will be starting from 1106 till 3072 square feet, and F&BS spaces which will be starting from 1125 till 4496 square feet carpet area. Now, let us discuss the booking process. Project booking window is now open. The client may come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the project's 3D model. We'll share with you the payment and the pricing schemes, and we'll show you the actual location of the project. And then if the client likes the project, they can proceed with the booking process. So everyone, this was the teaser of Imperium Atmos, which is located opposite Eon IT Park, Kharadi, Pune, and developed by Gera Developers. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your site visit today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.